Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Wonderful day, School B. Hi, Cap.
You public, if the press find you, they will be like many, many bugs on you.
Paparazzi.
A shot from Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty.
Boy, we ain't as dumb as you think we are.
But.
Well, that's how I used to feel when I was driving for the Lower Belleville County Unified School District.
You can be smarter than him.
Okay, what do I do?
I said you were in a...
What? No, it's not. Hey! You're blinker zone.
Good comeback, Cal.
Ben nou een slokje water.
Ook die hikken, soldaat.
Jongen, jongen. David, zet hem neer.
But there's a big blue sky waiting right behind the clouds.
That ain't a real road trip. We gotta drive it ourselves. Take our time. But wander the back road.
Down, McQueen. Get that arthritis-riddled keister onto the track so I can put you into the old folks' home against your...
Good job, man. Ramon will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the plain job.
Find something to drink.
Stop at Flo's VA Cafe.
Finest fuel on Route 66.
No, we just...
To third place.
I am not coming in behind you again, old man.
Who'll be jamming now?
Give it up, McMissile.
I don't care. Lightning, now that you're retired, I need you first thing Monday morning for a photo.
Hey, yo, DJ. What up? We got ourselves a nodder. Macchinine con tante rotine o da tuta day.
Soon, okay? I mean, you know where we are. Tell your friends.
naked, and they have no idea what happened behind it.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will be.
I made that stolen fella a Texas size offer.
So, you ready? This guy. I think
Valuable again? Oh, she's as crazy as Mater.
Those two are perfect for each other.